You want to stay cool when you're feeling hot, but running your air conditioner all day costs a lot. Fans are bulky and just blow hot air in your face. There has to be a better way to cool down your place. Introducing Arctic Air from JML, the personal space cooler that turns hot spaces into cool, refreshing places for just pennies a day. Whether you want to cool off in a hot kitchen or stay nice and comfy watching TV, Arctic Air lets you create your own personal comfort zone.
I love it. It really makes me so much more comfortable while I'm baking for my family.
Just add water and press the button. Then relax and enjoy the cooling breeze. Look, portable air conditioners take up so much space and you have to vent out of a window. But Arctic Air is self-contained and lightweight, so now you can have cool, clean air anywhere.
It is pretty hot here, but I am very cool and comfortable with the Arctic Air.
Arctic Air blows that cool air. You won't believe the difference.
Even the intense heat of this hairdryer reads at 36 degrees. But with Arctic Air, it's a comfortable 24. The secret is hydro-chill technology that uses an evaporative air cooling filter that pulls in hot air and instantly transforms it into cool, refreshing air.
Arctic Air is incredible. I'm so happy I discovered it. It's one of the most innovative products I've ever seen.
With 3 adjustable speed settings, you have precise control. And the Whisper Quiet fan circulates the air, up to 8 hours on just one filling. And there's even a soothing nightlight. What a great way to cool off in your bedroom without air conditioning your entire home. Arctic Air also purifies and humidifies your air, so it's better for you and your family.
I recommend Arctic Air. It's portable, eco-friendly, and it won't cost you a ton to operate. It effectively cools your personal space.
I love it.
You're gonna absolutely